Open your favorite browser. I'm going to use Chrome. Just type Manjaro KDE Plasma for Raspberry Pi. Just click enter. Click on the first link. And here it is. It's a 64-bit version. Raspberry Pi. You can also download text, torrent or GPG signature. I will just download the image.xz file, but I have already downloaded it, so no need. After that, open new tab and just type in Balena Etcher. Click on the first link. This is the tool we are going to be using to flash our images. These are 3 simple steps. Select image, select drive and flash. I am on a Windows machine, so I will download it for Windows. The process is same for both Mac OS and Linux and Windows. You can scroll down and find your own Windows compatible images. You can also download it for 32-bit AMP image or 64-bit Linux, or if you are a Debian user Ubuntu based, then you can download for .deb or Red Hat packages for Fedora or RHEL Linux. That's all. After that, open your file browser. I have stored it on my documents folder over here, Linux operating systems, and it over here, Manjaro KDE Plasma. Extract it with using WinRAR archive. I have done it and it was successful. You will get a 5 gig file, 5 gig 700 megabyte file. After that, let it be. Install Raspberry Pi Imager, or I will be using Etcher for this. We haven't downloaded it. Just click flash from file and copy the link from the browser tab. That's it. But I have already downloaded, so no need. I will click flash from file, select the image KDE Plasma, verified it, select the drive, share, select and flash. I have already flashed it, so no need. Cancel.